Here I have Xiaomi A2 Lite and let me show you how to enter the recovery mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Keep holding power, let's choose power off and wait until your phone will be completely switched off. Afterwards, you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. So let's hold down together those two keys for a couple of seconds, keep holding both keys and release them as soon as Android One logo pops up on the screen. Now let's wait a couple of seconds until the Android robot pops up. This is the Android no command robot, so now all you need to do is start pressing power key and while holding power press volume up once. That's it, this is the Android recovery mode. So here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. As you can see at the top of the screen, you can read a couple of useful information about your system, and here you can also accomplish a couple of useful operations. For example, you can reboot to bootloader, you can apply update from the ADB, you can apply update from SD card, you can also accomplish the hard reset operation by choosing wipe data factory reset, you can mount system, view recovery logs, run graphic tests or power off your device. So if you would like to quit the recovery mode, you need to choose the power off options, or you can choose the first one, which is Reboot System Now. So let me choose Reboot System Now, let me press power key to confirm it, and right now the device is booting into a normal mode. Let's just wait a few seconds until you will be able to use your device. Excellent, the home screen pops up, so everything went well, and now you can unlock your device and start using your phone. So, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.